This video is going to show you how to order audio description from your 3Play Media account. Begin by logging into your 3Play Media account. Before placing your order, select your audio description preferences by clicking on Settings, Audio Description Settings. Select your preferred speaker and speaking rate. You can use the Samples function on the bottom of the window to preview your selections. Hit Save. Select your captioned file from the My Files page, click Order, and then choose Audio Description. Select the level of service, either Standard or Extended. To upload a new file for audio description, click on the Upload Media tab, then select a transcription and captioning service, and check Audio Description as an add-on feature. Select the level of service. Choose the location where you'd like your files to be stored. Then, confirm order details and place your order. You can monitor the status of your files from the 3Play Media account. Once your files are complete, you can download any format of audio description anytime. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, please read our audio description how-to guides on our website, www.3playmedia.com.